Next is equal sets. Two sets are said to be equal if all the elements in A can be found in B. That is to say, all the elements in A are equal to the elements in B. For example, if we have set A, okay, this is if you have set C to comprise of A, B, C, and D, and we have a set D to be made up of elements C, A, D, B. Irrespective of the way they are being listed, we have it that set C is equal to set D, because the same A you find in set C can be found in set D and others too. And also, if you look at the set, two sets are said to be equal. For two sets that are equal, some of their characteristics includes that the cardinality of both sets are said to be equal. Cardinality in the sense that the number of elements in set C is equal to the number of elements in set D. So they can only be equal when their cardinalities are equal, cardinalities are the same, and the elements are the same.